Ever dreamed of a Mediterranean paradise but worried about the cost? Picture azure waters, sun-drenched landscapes, and a cultural mosaic that's as diverse as it is captivating. This is the Mediterranean, a region synonymous with luxury, opulence, and high-end travel. It's a place where history and culture intertwine with stunning natural beauty, creating an irresistible allure that draws millions of visitors each year. However, there's a common misconception that this Mediterranean dream is out of reach for those on a budget. The thought of spending time in the sun-kissed lands of Greece, Italy, or Spain might seem like a costly affair, with visions of expensive resorts, high-end dining, and lavish lifestyles. This perception often deters the budget-conscious traveler, making the Mediterranean seem more like a dream than a possible reality. But what if we told you can experience this paradise without breaking your bank? Stay tuned as we unveil the secrets to a budget-friendly Mediterranean adventure. Albania, Montenegro, Greece's lesser-known islands. Ever heard of them? These are the hidden gems of the Mediterranean, the unsung heroes of budget-friendly travel. Far removed from the bustling tourist hubs, these destinations invite you to experience the Mediterranean's charm without the hefty price tag. First stop, Albania, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, yet surprisingly light on your wallet. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, Albania offers a taste of the Mediterranean that few travelers get to experience. Next, we voyage to Montenegro. This small yet mighty nation boasts a stunning coastline, quaint coastal towns, and a vibrant local culture. All this, and it won't break the bank. Finally, we set sail for Greece's lesser-known islands. Away from the hustle of Santorini or Mykonos, islands like Paros or Naxos offer serene beauty and a slower pace of life. Here, you can soak in the Mediterranean sun and savor authentic Greek cuisine without a worry in the world. These destinations offer the Mediterranean charm at a fraction of the cost. Ready for some insider tips that can take your budget travel to the next level? Let's start with accommodation. Ditch the high-end resorts and try local guest houses or vacation rentals. They're often much cheaper and offer a more authentic experience. Next, food. Instead of dining at tourist traps, try local markets and street food stalls. You'll get to taste authentic Mediterranean flavors at a fraction of the price. Now let's talk attractions. The Mediterranean is brimming with historical and natural beauty, much of it free to explore. Seek out lesser-known attractions like the beaches of Albania or the ancient ruins off the beaten track in Greece. These hidden gems are often less crowded and more affordable. Consider off-peak travel too. Visiting in the shoulder seasons, you'll find fewer crowds and lower prices, while still enjoying pleasant weather. With smart planning, you can enjoy an authentic Mediterranean experience without draining your wallet. A Mediterranean paradise is well within reach for those watching their pennies. Let us recap the magic of our journey. We've unveiled the lesser-known yet equally enchanting corners of the Mediterranean, Albania, Montenegro, and Greece's lesser-known islands. These destinations offer stunning landscapes, crystal-clear waters, and the allure of the Mediterranean without the hefty price tag. The insider tips we've shared today can help you navigate the region with ease. Snagging affordable accommodation, savoring authentic local cuisine at wallet-friendly eateries, and exploring off-the-beaten-path attractions are all part of the budget-conscious travel experience. Remember, a bit of savvy planning and a thirst for exploration are the keys to unlocking an affordable Mediterranean adventure. The region's beauty and charm are not exclusive to the luxury traveler. It's a paradise that welcomes all, regardless of budget. Explore, enjoy, and remember, a budget-conscious traveler can also enjoy the Mediterranean paradise. Until next time, happy travels.